Welcome friends, today we are going to show you how to assemble Mark 3.32 revolver manufactured by Indian Ordnance Factories. To start with, let's first identify the parts of Mark III revolvers. This is called the cylinder retaining cam. This is the extractor pin, the hinge and cam lever. This is called the barrel latch spring, barrel. This is the cylinder. Then this is the receiver or frame. This is the side plate, safety lock pins and spring. Now let's start with the assembly of the Mark III revolver. First we take the side plate and put it on the left side of the receiver. Let's start with the screws. 1, 2, 3 and the fourth one near the trigger. We tighten the screws. After tightening the fourth screw, we take the safety lock, insert the safety lock, insert it, take the pin and then the spring. Close it with the screw. Make sure to tighten the screw. The safety lock is in position and working properly. Now we take the barrel latch spring and make sure to align it properly with the hole, like this. Then we take the barrel latch, align it with the receiver, take the screw, hold the barrel latch spring with the sear and then insert the screw like this. Tighten it with the screwdriver. The latch is in position and working properly. Now we take the extractor lever and put it in the barrel. Then we take the receiver or the frame and push the barrel. Make sure the barrel and the receiver are aligned and then you insert the hinge and cam lever. From the other side, put the screw and tighten it with the screwdriver like this. Next, we take the cylinder retaining cam and insert it like this. We'll do it again. Insert the cam beneath this. Now we insert the cylinder like this. Okay. The cylinder is locked in position with the cam, with the cylinder retaining cam. Now we insert the screws. Tightening the screws. Next is another screw on the other side of the cylinder. After tightening the screws, next we are going to lock it, and now we'll check the trigger mechanism, everything is in perfect condition and working properly. Now the last part, we put on the grips. The grip, other one, and the last part, the grip screw. Make sure to tighten the screw properly. So this is how you assemble a Mark 3.32 revolver manufactured by Indian Ordnance Factories. Thank you for watching our video. Do come back for more such tutorials and videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel All About Guns. Thank you.